beses lang kinakasal, no?
Magbahan na, no? Hindi kinakapanta ko, wala pa akong ano eh, hindi pa kompleto vows ko, wala pa akong thank you message.
Mga kapuso, isa pong flash report. Dalawang magkasintahan na matapos ang 11 taon na pagiging magkaibigan, pagkakakilala sa isa't isa, pagiging best friend, ay nagkasundo na mag-isang dibdib, si Rafi at si Maris.
First time I saw you, I knew there was something. I say this with all conviction because up to this moment, I can vividly remember the moment we were introduced to each other more than 10 years ago, as mentioned by Ma'am Marisa. Nasa pintuan tayo ng bagong newsroom noon. Nakasalubong kita with Ma'am Marisa. Hindi ko yun makakalimutan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ko makalimutan.
Happy to be standing before God and before you today with all our loved ones as witnesses to our love. Mahal, ever since, I never doubted how God truly works in mysterious ways. And even our love is a testament to that. How our friendship has grown into a very beautiful love, a deeper kind of relationship. Nakalain mo, kinukuya lang kita dati.
Puso, lagi nyo sanang gamitin ang inyong puso. Ramdamin nyo sa inyong mga puso ang tunay na pagmamahal. At kayo, dalawa, ay maging saksi 24 oras. Huwag nyong kalilimutan ang inyong pagmamahal na yan.
dare not question God's wisdom. He knows we are for each other. He made us for each other. I may not be a perfect man. I have my flaws. But I will try to be the best perfect man you will ever know. I love you so much.
In return, I vow before God that I will be a good and faithful wife. Not perfect, but the best partner who will complement and support you in every way. I will be a good mother to our children.
Rafi and Maris, are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.